Stop by and take a look at 2018 Armada. The Nissan Armada is a full-size SUV which seats up to 8 comfortably. It boasts a powerful engine and has a 9,000-pound tow rating, which puts it at the top of the class. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure. So here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, power liftgate, air conditioning, Bluetooth, dual airbags, heated rear seats, power steering, alloy wheels. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.